Deepseek shook the AI industry with its latest model, which was released earlier this year. From the low cost to the effectiveness of the AI reasoning model, Deepseek changed the narrative of artificial intelligence. However, before Deepseek savored the glory and attention, another reasoning model arrived, an unexpected rival to Deepseek R1. This is the OpenThinker-32B model. It's also an open-source reasoning model with impressive performance metrics. OpenThinker-32B achieved benchmark-beating results using just 14% of the data Deepseek needed, marking a win for open-source AI. Does this mean OpenThinker-32B is better than Deepseek R1? You're about to get the answer to that question with this comparative analysis of the two models. OpenThought's consortium created OpenThinker-32B as a premier model within the OpenThinker series. The team consists of global researchers and technologists who are dedicated to AI through open-source approaches. OpenThinker-32B truly reflected their dedication to open-source AI, as the model is entirely open-source. Because of this, it creates an avenue for researchers and developers from around the globe to engage in and benefit from shared progress. OpenThinker-32B leverages Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 32B Instruct large language model and features a context window of 16,000 tokens. This gives room for efficient processing of long data sequences. But this is not the best part of the OpenThinker-32B model. The intriguing part of this model is its training efficiency. It was trained on just 14% of the data required by other similar models, yet it performed at an incredibly efficient level. How did OpenThought's consortium achieve this? OpenThinker-32B uses the OpenThinker 114K dataset, which comprises only 114,000 meticulously curated and verified training examples. These examples are not random, they are high-caliber datasets. Since everything about reasoning model training is based on data, OpenThinker hit the jackpot by utilizing efficient data. Their priority was quality over volume. While other similar models were trained with volumes of random data, OpenThinker focused on accurate data that will provide efficient responses for users and minimize errors. While this is amazing, listen to the best part. OpenThought's consortium has made the model and the training data available to the public. Do you know what this means? The revolution of the AI industry has just begun. We're about to see sophisticated models created in less time than you can imagine. The data will foster transparency and encourage further research and development within the AI community. There have been open-source models, but OpenThinker took it to the next level. The open-source framework of OpenThinker-32B, along with its efficient training method and strong performance, establishes it as a noteworthy addition to the AI landscape. Beyond the training method and framework, some benchmark assessments have been conducted to compare OpenThinker-32B with other AI reasoning models, showcasing outstanding capabilities. There was an accuracy of 90.6% on the Math 500 benchmark, which exceeds the score for other models, including the beloved Deepseek. OpenThinker-32B also scored 61.6% on the GPQA-Diamond benchmark. These assessments have established OpenThinker-32B's expertise in mathematical reasoning and general problem-solving tasks. Before we do an in-depth comparison of Deepseek R1 and OpenThinker-32B, you should also know a little about Deepseek R1. A Chinese firm called Deepseek developed the Deepseek R1 model, which quickly gained recognition in the AI industry. January 2025 received the launch of Deepseek R1, and the AI industry praised it for its exceptional reasoning skills and cost-effective development approach. The model employs a unique architecture that combines reinforcement learning with a mixture of experts' technique. Because of this setup, the model only uses a fraction of its 671 billion parameters for specific tasks. This minimizes the need for extensive computational power and allows functionality on less capable hardware. Deepseek R1's training methodology focuses on reinforcement learning, where the system acquires skills through trial and error with limited human assistance. This strategy improves the model's flexibility and ability to solve problems. Deepseek R1 is an open-source platform that enables developers worldwide to access and enhance its functionalities. Despite this access, Deepseek did not disclose its training data. This has raised concerns about transparency and reproducibility within the AI community. As an open-source model, data and training should be open. This will foster growth within the AI community, as researchers can easily access the data for research and innovative purposes. Deepseek R1 coming into the scene led to significant market responses, including a marked drop in the stock prices of established tech firms. It has sparked conversations about the evolving landscape of AI innovation between the United States and China, and increased competition between the two countries. President Donald Trump, a strong advocate for tech and innovation who strongly desires the U.S. to be at the forefront, saw Deepseek R1's launch as a wake-up call. In performance, Deepseek, although made with less time and resources than other leading similar U.S. models, didn't take a back seat as it rivals the top models in the industry. However, is it about to lose that position as OpenThinker steps in? How does OpenThinker-32B compare to Deepseek R1? Let's compare the two models and ascertain if Deepseek stays on top or if a new boss has arrived in town. To comprehensively compare OpenThinker-32B and Deepseek R1, we'll use specific benchmarks whose results will highlight these models' respective strengths. In mathematical reasoning, the Math 500 benchmark, OpenThinker-32B achieved 90.6% accuracy, while Deepseek R1 had 89.4%. It was a close call, yet OpenThinker proved to have a stronger performance. In general problem solving, the GPQA-Diamond benchmark, OpenThinker-32B scored 61.6%, while Deepseek R1 scored 57.6%. For coding tasks, the LCB-V2 benchmark, OpenThinker-32B achieved a score of 68.9%, while Deepseek R1 had 71.2%. This is one area where Deepseek still has the upper hand compared to OpenThinker. Let's move from the benchmarks to a general overview of these two models. What sets OpenThinker-32B apart is its efficiency. OpenThinker required only 114,000 training examples to reach all the above results, while Deepseek used 800,000. Think about it. Can we still say Deepseek has the upper hand? The OpenThought's 114K dataset came packed with detailed metadata for each problem. Ground truth solutions, test cases for code problems, starter code where needed, and domain-specific information. The OpenThought's team reported using 4 nodes equipped with 8 H100 GPUs, which completed the task in approximately 90 hours. A separate dataset with 137,000 unverified samples trained on Italy's Leonardo supercomputer burned through 11,520 A100 hours in just 30 hours. This is on a different level from Deepseek and other AI models. Deepseek was celebrated for its cost-effectiveness and short training duration, but here's OpenThinker redefining short. OpenThinker-32B and Deepseek R1 are open-source AI models, but their applications illustrate different design philosophies and strengths. For hardware and cost savings, it's common knowledge that cost-effectiveness is the focus of Deepseek's design. They boasted that they could achieve stellar innovation to complete complex tasks with less advanced hardware functionality that didn't cost much. This was a strong statement against the norm in the AI industry. Now, everyone knows that building a system that works is not only possible for big tech companies. Even a less-known research institute can get it done. Its hardware functionality makes it suitable for sectors like automotive manufacturing and telecommunications. In contrast, while OpenThinker-32B is also efficient, it's mainly used in research and educational environments where hardware limitations are not as pressing. Speaking of transparency and modifiability, OpenThinker-32B's entirely open-source framework, including its training data, provides researchers and developers full transparency and the potential to alter the model for particular uses. This level of openness provides an advantage, especially in academic and scientific research. However, Deepseek is not entirely open source, as its training data are unavailable. This restricts the extent of customization and understanding from some users. In domain specialization, OpenThinker-32B is exceptionally proficient in tasks needing deep reasoning and intricate problem solving, making it well suited for educational and scientific research. However, Deepseek R1 has strong capabilities in practical settings, such as autonomous driving and network optimization. OpenThinker-32B was released amid intensifying competition in AI reasoning capabilities, so its place might not be guaranteed for too long. OpenAI announced on February 12th that all models following GPT-5 would feature reasoning capabilities. The next day, Elon Musk hyped up xAI's Grok 3's enhanced problem-solving capabilities, promising it would be the best reasoning model to date. And new research released another open-source reasoning model, Deep Hermes, based on Meta's Llama 3.1. With all these coming from the US, does China still stand a chance in this race for tech dominance? Share your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.